Hey guys, and welcome to our CIT 270 presentation. This is Group 3 featuring Samuel Cline, Aaron Burnside, and Cam Cook.
So in this presentation, we're going to cover a few things. First, what exactly is a firewall? Why you might choose an open source firewall, our top 3 picks after downloading and testing a few, and then we're going to demonstrate our top pick. So what exactly is a firewall? To put it simply, a firewall is a network security tool that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. The firewall could be hardware, software, or a combination of the two. It uses the Ethernet packets to detect the source IP address, destination IP address, and the port number. The user can then program the firewall to filter and discard according to any of these 3 features.
Why should you use open source firewalls? First reason we came up with was cost. Open source firewalls are by far the cheapest available. Second reason we came up with was transparency. They make it, with open source, it's far easier to recognize and identify threats. The third reason we found was the adaptability and flexibility offered by open source firewalls. They by far apply to the most various situations. Okay. Our top 3 source firewalls, after going through many different available ones offered, which we chose ClearOS, Untangle, and pfSense. For ClearOS, we chose it because it was the top overall. It provided top overall performance in many different scenarios. With Untangled, we felt it was the best one for beginners and those who are still getting used to the use of open source firewalls. With pfSense, we felt that it provided the broadest array of services we could find, and to be honest, it was basically ClearOS for people who don't like ClearOS.
All right, so now we're going to do a quick demonstration of how to set up and install ClearOS. So ClearOS comes in 3 different editions. We're going to be using the community edition. Obviously, licensing is a bit different if you're using it commercially, but you can go ahead and just download that. It comes in an ISO, which we can take and throw into VirtualBox. I set mine to Linux, other gave it 4 gig of RAM, and I'll log in real quick to my install. It installs just like most other Linux distros, and it just takes you through the settings. After the reboot of the install, you're presented with this graphical menu where you can get basic network settings set. Then after you get the basics set up, you'll just leave it on a text console, and then you're able to log into the full interface through a web address. So you got your dashboard, which you can place different widgets on, like CPU usage, memory usage, system events, and then a marketplace. You can choose free or paid add-ons for the software. Then obviously you can go in and set rules and policies depending on how you want the filters to be set up. And that's basically it. It's pretty clear. I still feel like Untangle is a much simpler system, but with ClearOS you get a lot more features. Now back to you guys.